Hi, and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how you can promote an affiliate product, something on Clickbank, through a special strategy page that we would like to call advertorial articles, and send traffic to it using a traffic source that you're going to be checking out at the end of this video, just to keep you on board. So we're going to do the whole A to Z kind of thing on process. This is something that I wanted to test out for myself, but I wanted to do it into a training episode so you can follow along and maybe you can do the same. I'll be using GrooveFunnels as a page builder so you can see and use the page builder and everything like that. I'll be taking an offer on Clickbank and I'll be sending traffic with a paid traffic source. So let's get started on building this. So first of all, we're going to go out and find the offer that we want to promote. And basically I found the offer. It's something that not a lot of people are actually working with, I guess. But it's in the weight loss niche. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the one that I wanted. Now, the reason why I want to choose this is because it's got content, and the content that I found is basically on this area right here. Like, these are all offers. If you don't know what Clickbank is, these are all offers where you can promote and make money from, and these are offers in different niches that you can find. So in my case, like I said, I wanted to do the health niche, and I wanted to choose a specific offer that I don't feel like I've seen before or not a lot of people are promoting. So this is like telling me that about 93 people, affiliates, are actually promoting this, okay? So compared to the others, the competition is less here. But what I love about this is that it's got, the thing that I wanted to do is, if I go to the affiliate tools, explains what this is all about, but it's got these pre-sale articles, okay? And if I go to these articles, then these are something like what we call advertorials, okay? So these are advertorials, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and replicate this so I can start sending traffic to it, to my page, so I can control everything that's on here. And this is the most, I would say, safest way to send traffic to any offer or blog. This is supposed to be like something like a blog. This is what it's supposed to be, but it's an advertorial type offer, okay? And it's pretty cool, and I can actually replicate this really easily using this video. So my next step is, now that I found the offer, I'm going to go ahead and build this advertorial page based on this. I'm going to replicate that page using GrooveFunnels, as you would know. Now, if you are interested in getting GrooveFunnels, the links below actually get you a free account to up to 3 websites so you can build something just like this, okay? And once I've built this specific one, I'm going to be giving you the template that you can download yourself. All you have to do is just sign up to get your free account, and on that free account you can push over and get your article based thing, and you can switch it over to another article, etc. Okay, just wanted to let you know, because some of these templates are not available for everyone, only for the ones that have upgraded. I've got the free ones. I've got everything basically because I'm a lifetime member, but I'm also trying to get you in the door so you can understand how powerful this system is, because it gives you a lot, and you'll see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new site kind of thing. That's what I'm going to start building this. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go and find the advertorial template that they have. Okay, so they've got a lot of templates out here that you can be using, but I'm going to be choosing the advertorial. I know there's one out here somewhere. Hold on. Now I can find the advertorial is right here, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to call it the smoothie diet. I'm going to start building. Now the great thing is that this gives you a whole feel like it's a proper blog website that you can choose and you can fill in, and it's pretty perfect. It gives you everything that you need in building this properly and sending traffic to it. So let's get started with basically the branding to this section right here. Now I can see that they've got a type of logo here and everything, but you know what? We want to be a little bit unique with our business. So maybe we should brand it ourselves with a thing that we can come up really easily. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to head over to Canva right now because I want to build a quick logo so that I can use for my business and create something from what I have in front of me, which is this. So this says health and wellness. Maybe I can get something that's similar. And let me try with maybe health. So I went into the logo section of Canva, which is free, by the way, and you can come and create your own logo. Okay, so I'm going to find one that makes sense for me to use for the specific one. So let me try this one right here, and let me just name it health and wellness. Okay, and let me see what else. There might be nothing there. I'll do losing weight the healthy way. Okay, so I just quickly created this out of using whatever I feel is helping here. Anyway, so I'm good. This is the health and wellness logo that I'm going to be using for my site. And it's simple as this is, you can do the same. You don't need to be a designer. There's templates that you can be using. All right, so in my case right now, this image, okay, I'm just gonna take hold on, and I'm gonna name it and save it, health wellness logo. Now I'm going back into my article builder. I'm going to click on this and configure and choose the image and basically upload the wellness logo that I created. Actually, it's on this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to upload this and update. All right, so I've got my logo. Perfect. And then here I can actually name these or change them, or I'm gonna fix that very soon. But first, let's get to the article. I'm gonna choose this title. I'm basically gonna be copying and pasting because it's basically from the vendor anyways. Lovely. And let me continue. Basically what I'm doing is I'm copying and pasting. That's all. Okay, we can change that image to maybe finding, if I go to if I just put like doctor and then go to images and maybe get this guy. Okay, just make sure it's not copyrighted or anything. I'm just doing this really quickly. Okay, this images may subject to copyright. Those are this is up to you on how you want to deal with this. Okay, so I want you to make sure that it's not copyrighted and you got the images and everything like that. But I'm just curious, just so I can see if there's any doctor images from the free stock photos from the system itself. Oh, I guess there is. So maybe I don't even need to go for that. So I'll just choose this person right here. Okay, and then now these are small minor details in general. Okay, and let me get rid of that. All right, better. This is an image that we can use from the article, maybe this one right here. Actually, let me save this. And just create a featured image, basically. Okay, so let me go to all these and then go to maybe blog. Choose one of those templates. And I can already find this one right here. Looks pretty cool. Okay, and I'm just going to use this template right here. And for now, I'm just going to keep it as is. Okay, and I'm just going to download. But you can customize, do it as you wish, but you can see that, you know, just put a little bit of work and make it a little bit more unique. It might come out even better. So I'm going to configure this image and I'm going to upload this one right here and update. Okay. Starting to look nice. So right now I'm going to take the information from here and come back, and basically what I'm going to be doing now is just basic copying and pasting. So right now I'm putting the last touches to this, making sure that everything is working properly. Basically what I mean is in the actual content, I'm going to go ahead and get the affiliate links so I can add them in here. And now I'm just going to get my link, and this link, right, you can see that they're telling you to add your ID here. So what this means is you're going to be adding your actual affiliate ID, which I'm going to replace this with dpapa187, and that's my ID. That's my affiliate link. This is what I'm going to be adding in everything that I have in here. So this will be linked to my affiliate ID. Okay. And I'm going to fix this a little bit better so it's more readable. And here, right here, I'm going to hyperlink this. You can see this little thing, and I'm going to add my link again. Click enter. You can see it's highlighted. Move down and try and find more. This is going to be highlighted. URL. This is going to be highlighted. And scrolling down so I can find more places that I can add my links. And here's another one. And this video right here. URL. And plus the last part. Let me try that as well. URL. Okay. All right. And now it's published. And if I go into the new thing, this is the article, as you can see. And from the article, anywhere that they click on will take them over to this offer. Okay, sounds good? All right, so at this point, we're done with this. Let me click on this. And one more thing that I want to do is I'm going to copy this. Okay. And I'm going to come back into my builder. And what I want to do is create, for the footer, basically, the details for terms and conditions, terms and policies, and all that. Okay, and as you can see, I just basically, got rid of it. And everything seems fine. Okay, save, publish. Now I'm going to put this on a domain. Okay, I want it to be even more believable, should I say. But this is how, you know, you're trying to get in front of buyers, in front of people that are interested in this. This gives some information. It's basically value. Somebody comes and clicks on there and they decide they want to buy it, they'll buy. Okay, and if they believe this is going to help them, this is perfect. So what I'm going to do next is basically I want to put this on a domain. I don't want to have this link that they're giving me. I mean, this is great and all, but I want it to be a lot better. I don't want it to be on a naked link kind of thing. So let me find a domain that I can put this on. Now I'm in Namecheap, and I'm just gonna find something that smoothie. Let me try smoothie fat loss, and it's available, and I think that's pretty good. So let me go ahead and add to cart. This is perfect. It's a great domain that I can be using, and now that's it. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm not gonna buy anything else. I'm just gonna go with this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna skip everything else, and I'm gonna go to checkout. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm order. And always know that you're gonna be investing in stuff. So I'm gonna pay $9 for this domain that's gonna bring me more money in the future if I put it all out there and drive traffic to it. Okay, that's how affiliate marketing works and how it should be working for you. Okay, great. Now that I got my domain, I want to do some changes. I'm going to put it on the hosting that GrooveFunnels is giving me. GrooveFunnels is giving me a place to host my information. So I'm going to show you how we're going to be connecting this really easily using one free tool called Cloudflare. Okay, just put Cloudflare and then just click on here and then just log in or sign up or whatever. It's free. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'm gonna add a new domain to this, which is the smoothie fat loss one. So I'm gonna add a site, smoothiefatloss.com, add site. Okay, and I'm gonna go with free, obviously. Okay, and in this area, I'm gonna go ahead and add a record, and I'm gonna put CNAME. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back into my GrooveFunnels, and they've got me a place where I can get the information on how to set things up. For example, go ahead and add smoothie fat loss on here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there, but I need to fix it on my domain thing right here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a record, and I'm gonna do CNAME at host Groove pages and click on save. It's gonna add it, and now I'm gonna click on continue. And then now I'm gonna go into the Namecheap servers. So what I'm gonna do now is get the name servers from name server 1, and I'm gonna head over into my domain and add it there. And then this part right here, I'm gonna put the name server number 2. These are the Cloudflare domain name servers that we need to add. All right, and then click on add. Okay, so now it's going to take about 48 hours, maybe faster, usually faster, but we're good to go. Now it's going to be switched over so that when we publish it now, this site will be on the smoothiefatloss.com website because I've connected everything. So we should be good to go from this point and forward. I'm going to move back into the Cloudflare and do done check name servers and get started. I'm going to click on that, click on save, save, save. Okay, and everything else as is. Okay, so it's going to check for a bit until it connects and it goes through the thing. It's probably not done yet, but I'm going to give it a try right now. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and copy and try in incognito mode just to make sure that it's up. It's not yet up. We need to give it a little bit of time before it propagates to your new domain. Okay, it should be not long from now. Oh, there we go. Just did it on its own. So as you can see, we have a site called Smoothie Fat Loss. I'm sending traffic. I'm going to be sending traffic to it, paid traffic to it. Okay, so this is my little advertorial that I created where people will come, the traffic that I'm going to be sending, and then it'll take them over to the offer, and hopefully they buy. All right, that's the whole mission here of what we're doing. So let's head over to Bing Ads and start sending traffic to this. So I'm going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do now is basically go into one of my accounts. Okay, click on campaigns and create campaign. Now what I want to do is basically send traffic to my website. Okay, I'm going to name this smoothie fat loss, so I know exactly what's going on. All right, I'm going to put this as really depends on what you can afford. I'm going to start with 10 a day, and I will choose United States, but I'm also going to do Canada. Okay, so I'm going to choose these two. I'm going to click on this second part. I'm going to unclick it basically and choose only for English and click on next. Okay, now the website is basically, you don't need to put a website here, but let's go ahead and put in the website of the offer into this section right here, and let's see what it gives us. We can see a lot of weight loss stuff, but what we're going to do is choose just one ad group for now, so we can play around with that. We're going to be very focused on what we're going to be choosing right now. Now, also, well, we'll go through the sections and see. So this is a weight loss thing. Let me see what kind of keywords are in here. Okay, this is an ad group. Each ad group should have ads in there, but we'll do it very simple, and we'll just go with things that I feel are going to be without a lot of competition, but I need to have a lot of searches as well. I'm going to do a little research here on how things are looking. This could be something that I can use. But we can see there's 0 views over here when shakes. Sorry, it's high competition though. Again, high. This could be one. Also, I'm looking at the price for the ones that I'm choosing. And let me see this one right here. I'm going to try this best weight loss one right here, and then click on save and go to next. And here I'm going to go ahead and create the ad that I want. Final URL is actually the actual domain that I created. Okay, so this is going to be .com. All right, and then now it's all about building the title and everything like that. So I'm going to take information from the sales page itself, or actually from the advertorial template that I created. So maybe green smoothies to lose weight. So green smoothies okay, so it's like perfect title, and we have to be careful on how we're naming these things, because we might not get accepted because of the titles. So if it's not don't be too hypey with it. Okay, try and be as realistic as possible. So I'll put like 5 reasons more women are using. 5 reasons women are using green. Green smoothies to boost the 5 reasons women are using. Green smoothies to lose weight. 5 reasons women are using. We could try that, or let me scroll down. Green smoothies for weight loss. No, as I had it before, is perfect to lose weight. Hold on. Let me try this again. Maybe I can put mother of 2 loses over 70 pounds. Okay, that's one I can be using. Read, discover, okay, I'm gonna put it like that. 5 reasons to use smoothies. And then in here, I'm just gonna copy the actual maybe title. Okay, and top 5 reasons why women use smoothies to lose weight, energy, and look younger. Follow this diet weight loss program. Okay, so it's nothing over claiming anything, but I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna put for mobile as well here. Okay, I'm gonna click on save. This is more than 13 characters. Top 5 reasons why you're using green smoothie to lose weight, boost energy. I'll leave it like that. Save. Okay. Now, what we can do here is also add maybe some extensions here, like a call to action. So let me put a call to action. Again, final URL. Learn more. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, so it's gonna have under the ad like a learn more thing, so it's mostly calling it for people to take a little bit more action. Save and go, click on next, and right now it's giving me an estimated maybe $1 and everything. I can go and do a manual bid on this, and I will keep it at this price at this point because I'm seeing a lot of clicks probably on there. But if you're starting out, maybe it's best to start off with 0.50, get acquainted a little bit with the prices, and then you start moving the bid. So I'll just do 0.50 for this one right here. Okay, campaign targets, Just leave it as is. I'm not going to touch anything because I want to test out this campaign in general. And click on save. Okay, so everything's good. And that's how we are going to be driving traffic. Now, hopefully this converts so we can see some results. I'm going to see how this goes. I'm going to create maybe another 2 ads based on this. And this is how you can promote things as an affiliate, driving traffic with paid ads that you can basically afford using Microsoft Bing ads, basically. And I hope you enjoyed this free training, and I hope you take action. You can get this template of the advertorial that I just created for you by signing up through the free account that you have on GrooveFunnels. You'll get the code that you can enter into the as soon as you click on the code that I'm going to have underneath in this video, you're going to be able to use the exact same template. I suggest you do change the links. I suggest you change the title, the article. There's more that you can choose from, and try this out. I want you to get some results. I want you to get some commissions based on something that you never thought that you would be promoting. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in the next video.